Does comprehensive insurance cover tree sap from trees? Have you ever parked your car under a tree only to find it covered in sticky tree sap? It's a common problem that can lead to serious paint damage. So, does your auto insurance cover this kind of issue? Let's break it down. Comprehensive auto insurance is designed to protect your vehicle from damage caused by events that are not collisions. This includes theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters, and even falling objects. Tree sap falls into the category of paint damage caused by a natural source. So, if you have comprehensive coverage, you might be in luck. Tree sap can be tough to remove and, if left untreated, it can cause permanent damage to your car's paint. Since comprehensive insurance covers damage from environmental hazards, it generally includes paint damage from tree sap. However, the specifics can vary based on your individual policy. If you only have liability coverage, you should know that this type of insurance does not cover damage from tree sap. Liability coverage only protects you against damages you cause to others, not your own vehicle. When you file a claim for tree sap damage under comprehensive insurance, you will likely need to pay a deductible. This is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. The deductible can vary, so check your policy for the exact amount. Repairing paint damage from tree sap might involve professional cleaning, repainting, or refinishing the affected areas. The costs for these repairs can vary widely, depending on the extent of the damage and the rates of local auto body shops. If you have comprehensive coverage, your insurance should cover the repair costs for paint damage caused by tree sap, minus your deductible. It's always a good idea to review your policy details to confirm what is covered. In summary, if you have comprehensive auto insurance, you are likely covered for paint damage from tree sap. Just remember to check your specific policy and be aware of your deductible when considering repairs.